Welcome to lesson number 1. Let's talk about how to prepare for the sideline. When it comes to sideline preparation, it's important to determine your organization's sideline protocol. So hopefully that's a discussion with your management team, whether it's an athletic director, school nurse, school physician, other athletic trainers, physical therapist, to determine how you want to operate on the sideline. Also, important from a sway standpoint to be ready to make a profile code for an injured athlete at a moment's notice. So this is where we'll use our athlete, Alexa Johnson, as an example to quickly make a profile code when she gets injured in practice. Let's first do a quick review of how to create a protocol. We'll do this over in the web portal on your laptop or computer. If you already remember how to do this from the how-to section, you could skip to the end of the video. Here we are in the web portal dashboard. Let's take a quick review of how to create a custom protocol. In the protocol tab, when you click on it, you have the option to create protocol. And depending on what you and your management team decide, this is where you will determine what is going to be done on the sideline. You might want to do the on-field assessment, plus the sports plus screen, or the VOMs, or a reaction time, or balance. It's entirely up to you guys. You can choose if you want to do symptom tracking and then add your tests in from there. So for this example, we're going to do the on-field assessment and then all the aspects of the sports plus screen or test. And then when you hit the save button, you got to make sure you separate your names. And let's call this one even, this is what the whole football team is going to get. So let it be known that now our football sideline exam will be in our protocol list. If I was to scroll down and extend everything, I will see our custom protocol for the football team. Let's take a look at how to create a profile code. For this example, we're going to create a profile code quickly on our mobile device. Realistically, when you're on the sideline, you're not going to have a laptop or a computer nearby. So you need to feel comfortable grabbing your phone and creating a profile code for that injured athlete that's coming off the field or court. Let's take a look at what it looks like on your mobile device. And if you remember how to do this or feel comfortable, feel free to skip ahead. So here we are on your mobile device or tablet, and we're on the sideline. For this example, our athlete, Alexa, is coming off the court, the volleyball court, at practice with an injury. So if I click on the profile tab and find her name or search her in the search box, I'll be able to pull up her profile, go to Actions, and hit Create Code or Assign Test. Obviously, this is happening right in front. I can go to my protocol list and find my sideline exam. I only want to do a screening. Remember, we don't have time for an assessment. This is not part of her baseline. She has an injury that's happening right here, right now. And this might be a situation where I need to show her the results. If she's trying to go right back to practice or get back in the game, maybe showing her the results will help her understand it's safer for her to stay out. I'm going to hit save, and now this profile code is ready to use. Now, if you remember, this profile code can be shared through a QR code that she can take, or I can copy and paste it into my clipboard to send to her, but realistically, she's on the sideline. So we need to get this test going now. So when you are in your athlete's profile, let's remember the scenario. This is an injured athlete coming off the field or the court. We can hit Take Test. Make sure you're in the correct organization, and then you choose what protocol you want to use. So for her, we're doing the Sports Plus protocol, and I want to add the on-field assessment. And for her, I want to add this first. She needs time to come off the field, bring her heart rate down, stabilize, and then I can ask her these questions. I'll hit continue, and it brings me directly to the test. Now remember, we are on my phone. I'm on the sideline. I can click through number 1 and ask her how she's feeling in the moment. Same thing will go for the on-field assessment. The on-field assessment are all those questions from the SCAT 5. So after getting through tests number 1 and 2 of this particular protocol, if I feel she's ready or I need more data to make a clinical decision, she can make her way through the Sports Plus screen. When going through symptoms only, remember, you can choose each one individually, or if you feel the need to skip these all together, you added them but you don't want to document them anymore, you can hit skip symptoms and it'll bring you directly to the on-field assessment.